In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in BandLab. We'll start right from the top so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to the BandLab website. If you're not already signed in, you'll see options to log in. Choose the option to sign in with Google. This keeps things simple and connects your account quickly. When the Google window opens, select the Google account you want to use with BandLab, then confirm by continuing through the prompt. This grants BandLab the access it needs to open your workspace. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight into your feed. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and click on Library. That's where all your projects are stored. Find the project that contains the audio you want to clean up and open it. It's helpful to know which track has the unwanted noise, typically a vocal or a single recorded instrument, so you can go straight to it. Next, click on Studio to open the project in the editor. This brings up the multi-track view where you'll see each track laid out on the timeline. Give your session a quick listen to confirm where the noise is most noticeable. Headphones are great here because they make subtle hiss and hum easier to hear. Now locate the specific track you want to fix. Right-click on that track to open the context menu. From the options that appear, choose denoise. BandLab will automatically analyze the audio and apply noise reduction for you. It's designed to tame common background sounds like fan noise, computer hum, and Lightroom hiss without you having to dial in complicated settings. After the process finishes, hit play and listen to the result. Pay attention to the quieter parts of the performance, where background noise is usually most obvious. If it sounds cleaner and the voice or instrument still feels natural, you're good to go. If it seems a little too aggressive or you notice artifacts, you can simply undo the change and try again. Keeping your original performance intact is always the priority. A quick tip for better results going forward: record in the quietest space you can and keep your input level healthy but not clipping. That makes the denoise tool's job much easier and helps preserve clarity. And that's it. You navigated to BandLab, signed in with Google, opened your project in Studio, right-clicked the track, and used denoise to clean up the background noise automatically. Save your project when you're happy and you're ready to mix with a cleaner, more professional sound.